This is North Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. My brother, how's it?
My brother,
Yeah.
I'm not well.
I can see. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Well, let me tell you,
Yeah.
I don't want to take time. Our boys play a good football. Another problem is one.
Yeah.
Always when our local Sundowns, another problem is the ref. And it keeps on. Last season, this season,
MTN 8 twice, yeah.
from the beginning of the game, from the beginning of the
league,
game,
yeah.
our coach was not happy with the refs. Our players were not happy. Our supporters were not happy. You understand? It keep on going until end of the game. So we are not happy with the referees. Something have to be investigated. But even if we can say rematch tomorrow, against Italy Sundowns, but a rematch tomorrow.
Is it because of the referee player or maybe mistakes?
I won't blame referee. I mean the
coach, yeah.
Nabi is good. I can see what he's building. So we don't have to be harsh. Nobody knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
No problem. No, if our boys and a Kosi family we're going to continue with this thing at each and every game, we're going to have a problem. So this thing need to be sorted and sealed.
Yeah.
I don't want to take time.
No, thank you very much. Let's but who impressed you today at Kaiser Chiefs?
Our guys are playing well, and I'm very happy about our backline now.
Yeah.
They're solid. I'm very happy about that.
Oh,
that's why I can see
Thank you very much, my brother. All the best in the future.